Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi A2, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. Now to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Obviously we're looking for a hotspot toggle, so if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left to the second page, and that's where my hotspot is located at. But if you don't see it here, you can click on this pencil icon, and once you find it somewhere here at the bottom of your list, let's assume that mic access is the hotspot. You just grab it, it gets left top, changes the text right here to drag here to remove, so we're gonna drag it to the top, drop it, and when you go back you should have access to it. Now anyway, once you see your hotspot toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, I recommend holding it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the hotspot actually functions, and also more importantly, you can change the hotspot password. Now the reason for that is because this password is set by me. Typically you will see something like this. So that would be typically your password for your hotspot, being completely randomly generated with letters and numbers. So I recommend completely removing your password that is randomly generated and setting up your own. Now the password that you'll choose will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That's why mine that I have selected has basically the simplest 1 through 8, and from there you can click on OK to save it. Now I have a couple additional options right here, like turn off hotspot automatically. I recommend keeping this on. This will ensure that once you're done using your hotspot, the device turns it off for you, so you don't waste your phone's battery, because hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery. And then security, I recommend keeping it as it is. And when it comes down to hotspot name, this by default will be always the name of your device, so in this case it's Redmi A2, but you can change it to whatever you want. From there, once it's all set, you can find the toggle once again, tap on it to turn it on, and now you can connect to your hotspot. Now once you're done with it, you can either wait for that inactivity period to run through and turn it off automatically, or you can just find the toggle once again, tap on it once more, and this will turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.